Welcome to clickmyproject.com. I am going to discuss about a secret sharing based method for authentication of grayscale document images via the use of the PNG image with a data repair capability. Let's now discuss about the concept of this process. A new blind authentication method based on the secret sharing technique with a data repair capability for grayscale images proposed. It consists of the following stages during the creation of the stego images: generation of authentication signals, creation of embedding of shares. The stego image authentication consists of the following steps: extraction of the embedded to representative gray values, verification of the stego image, self-repairing of the original image content. This is the flow diagram for this process. First, use the input image as the document image. Next step is the pre-processing. In pre-processing method, median filter is used to remove noise from the input test images. It is often desirable to be able to perform some kind of noise reduction on an image or signal. The median filter is a non-linear digital filtering technique often used to remove noise. Such noise reduction is a typical pre-processing step to improve the results of later processing. Median filtering is very widely used in the digital image processing. Then the next one is the generation of the authentication signals. Input image binarization. Find two representative gray values by applying moment-preserving thresholding. PNG format. Transform J into PNG format using alpha channel plane. Beginning of loop taking is an unprocessed. Creation of authentication signal. Create 2-bit authentication signal. Then the next one is the creation and embedding of shares. Creation of data for secret sharing. Concatenate the 8 bits of A1, A2 and P1 through P6 to form an 8-bit string and divide the string into two 4-bit segments and transform the segments into two decimal members and M1, M2. Then partial share generation. Set the values and generate 6 partial shares using mapping of the partial shares. Find by adding. Embedding to partial shares is the current block. Select the first 2 pixels in the raster scan order and replace their values by Q1' and Q2' respectively. Then the end of the loop. If there exists any unprocessed block, then go to beginning of the loop. Otherwise, take the final in the PNG format at the desired stego image. Then the next one is the extraction of the embedded two representative gray values. Compute T equal to G1 plus G2 and use a threshold to binarize the binary version. Then the next one is the verification of the stego image. Beginning of looping, taking a raster scan order and unprocessed block. Extraction of the hidden signals. Extract the hidden authentication signal by subtracting 238 from each. Extract the two values of D and C1 and transform D and C1 into two 4-bit binary values and concatenate them to form an 8-bit string. Computation of the authentication signal from the current block content. Compute a 2-bit authentication signal. Then matching the hidden and computed authentication signals and walking of tempered blocks match by checking the loop. Then the end of the loop. If there exists any unprocessed block, then go to beginning of the loop, otherwise continue. Then the self-repairing of the original issues. Last one is the self-repairing of the original issues. Extraction of the remaining partial shares. Perform the following steps to extract the remaining 4 partial shares. Use key to collect the 4 pixels and take out the respective data. Subtract from each of the data to obtain true respectively. Repairing the tampered region. Performing the following steps to repair if possible. Repairing from the 6 partials as q1 through q6, block is corresponding to b dash, extract the values of cl and cls. Finally, take the final value as the desired self-repaired image. This is the MATLAB command window. These are the function files used for this process. Main is the main function file and the others are the sub-function file. Click the main function file and choose the run file option. This is the guide window designed for a secret sharing based method for authentication with a data repair capability. First, select the alpha channel plane. Then this is the grayscale channel plane. This is the alpha channel plane. Next one is we to select the cover image from the dataset. Choose any and not the document. Then the next one is the stego image. So this is the stego image for this cover image. Next one is the pre-processing step. Next we apply the binarization. In binarization step, the letters are not clear in this. Then we have to calculate the tamper values. Then the final, before the final step, we use to superimpose method. Then finally we have to embed the data. So this is the data embedding what we give as the input image. From this we conclude that a new blind using authentication method with a data repair capability for binary like grayscale document images based on the secret sharing has been proposed. Thank you.